How I use AI to grow YouTube channel. First of all, requesting you like the video and subscribe channel. Today we're gonna talk about that how I use AI to grow your YouTube channel. You can use these tricks for your YouTube too. And first of all, requesting you like and subscribe. Welcome to How to Do. I'm Gogi from How to Do, and let's begin the video. Learn how to use AI. You can use this trick on your laptop, computer, mobile, wherever you want to use. Go to the ChatGPT into your internet browser, and over there ask about the description for your YouTube videos on how to use ChatGPT. Think about it. If you have made a video that how to use ChatGPT YouTube video, then you need a description for that video. You can write it your by hands, but if you want to automatic written by ChatGPT, just ask this question to ChatGPT and that will type all the details for you if you need. You can check it out. This is the title that relevant to your video, and description is over here. Now you can copy this and paste into your video. Same way, if you need a good tags for good SEO, so that can fetch views to your videos, then type tags and you add tags to your videos, because tags is very important. You have to use these tags for these were the hashtags. I need tags, not hashtags. Let everything know to the sorry, spelling was wrong. Okay, now this is the tags, difference between tags and hashtags. So that's the way how you can use AI to write tags, description, hashtags, everything you need, and you can get ideas from AI too about new videos. So that's the way. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this.